And if you want to like stay.
Oh my fuck! You scared the shit out of me.
What? Sorry.
In the what? You came up out of the water like I was like, what is that animal?
I just.
You really don't know this.
You kind of smell
What the?
like a baka.
Okay.
It's on the other side of the
It's a
mountain.
adventure.
Yeah. And
Do you need more armor? Can you?
oh yeah, I can
that?
take it. I took it.
Okay. Good.
Nice.
Oh.
I want to be all filled up with fucking flesh too.
Hey, yo!
Okay. Whoa! Whoa! I think
Right
am
there.
I on fire? Am I on
Yeah.
fire?
Get in the water. In the water.
Okay. Get in the sewer. Get in the sewer. All right, come here.
You're good. Your Greg's good.
Look at your glasses.
I'm an anime character.
Look at the big.
NANI?
I want to go to bed. Let me sleep. Ah! I can't see anything.
Okay, can you protect me for a second while I check my...
Dude, why is Kelvin? What is he doing over there, man? I hope he's okay. Oh, Virginia, hello. Love when she just sneaks into frame like that.
A few moments later.
Dude, I gotta change my ping thing. Virginia, please. Yep, that's what. She's chilling, bro. Don't worry about it. We're chilling.
I'm fast as fuck.
Get you go.
I'm climbing.
It's here. Is it dead?
I don't think I saw it.
Why am I? Well, I can't see it. It's striking in the darkness.
Come to the shore.
Okay. I'm a fucking mermaid, man. I just was trying to square up. Like, homie, I'm fast too. Look at me. I got flippers. What the actual fuck? What are these? Oh god, I just shit my fucking self. Are you fucking kidding me? Holy fuck. Holy fucking shit. Stoned to death. Oh, hey, just because I wasn't feeling it. Dude, fuck off.
No.
No, Calvin! Calvin, no! Where is he? Calvin, buddy, tell me where you are. Where are you? Calvin! Calvin, please! Kelv. You can eat all the legs you want. That's completely fine. I have one task for you. Okay? One. Stop.
Why you block me?